tired of editing my videos and looking at my hands like, damn girl, you could have just put some lotions on. Like, come on now. What's up, beautiful people? I'm Michelle here, and in this video I am going to be showing you guys how I blow out my hair. Now I'm going to be using the Tresemme Thermal Creations. This is the heat protectant I'm going to be using today. I've never used it before, so I want to give it a try. Protects up to 230 degrees. That's it. My flat iron goes up to 455, honey. Oh, that's Celsius. 230 degrees Celsius, and this goes up to 235, so we're not cranking her all the way up by no means. I'm gonna give this a really good try because I've seen a lot of people use it. They say that it's really good, and to be honest, I just decided to do that. I'm gonna moisturize my face. Anyway, I have some really warm water because my hair is almost dry. I have a couple combs here. I have my Felicia Leatherwood brush hair for detangling. The blow dryer I will be using is my good old favorite. You could tell my mom was using it because there's some hairs in here. Nasty. So the Revlon blow dryer with the combs. It's called the Revlon styling brush. Something. I'll put all the links to all the products in the description. All I've done is wash my hair, did a nice good old deep conditioning treatment, and my hair feels very soft. I let her air dry. I didn't put any leave-in conditioner in my hair. I just let it sit and dry out. Someone asked me recently what I'm mixed with. I'm black. Okay, and I'm Jamaican. Yeah, let's get into this blow dry, honey. We're gonna do three. No, we gotta. No. So I'm gonna first do this. No. I'll just play myself. Like, what are you doing? Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Tresemme spray. Oh, it has a lock. That's cool. It has a lock. See that? That's cool. That's dope, honey. Okay, first off, it smells bar diggity boo. It smells really good. Wow, I'm on hunty. Now that my hair is fully detangled, I'm gonna start with the blow drying process. So first I start by stretching the hair, giving it a nice good tension. Once I have it nice and taut in my hands, I start with the ends of my hair first. The reason why I start with the ends is so that I can make sure that there are no tangles and that the ends are dried and stretched, so that when I start moving up the hair shaft, I can get a nice, easy, smooth glide through with the blow dryer. No snagging, no pulling, no tugging, no tearing, no wearing. Thank you. Okay, so this is what the mane is looking like. Let me go back here into the dark. Fluffy, light, and airy, and I like it. All right, so let's put her away and then move on to the next section. Wow, this smells so good. Oh my god. This blow dryer doesn't really get my roots really well, but the thing is I air dried my hair so much that my roots were actually quite dry, so I didn't really have to worry about getting them dry. This blow dryer has 3 settings. It has a cool setting, which blows at a very fast speed, so the air is just blowing real fast. Then it has a low setting, and the air is blowing pretty low, but it's low heat. And then it has a high setting, which is blowing high heat at a high pace. Here's the thing that changed my blow dry game. I start with low heat first. Once I get my hair to about 80% dry, I move to the cool setting. And the reason I do this is because it dries my hair, yes, but it's so much softer. My hair is so much smoother. It feels beautiful. It flows way better. My hair doesn't feel stiff, crunchy, dry. Like, this was the first time I did this, and I was like, yes, I figured it out. My hair felt great, and it just flowed nicer. So I learned that switching between the 2 settings was really good and beneficial for my hair, and I figured it also decreased the risk of heat damage because I am blow drying my hair on predominantly cool heat. This is halfway there, girl. I'm tired. I'm happy I got hair, but I'm tired, and I realized, oh god, you got a whole half a head to do. Okay, anyway, back to work. Okay, so once I've fully dried my hair and I know my roots are dry and everything is dry, I go ahead and I blow dry my hair in all different directions. I do this because it really does help with the flow of my hair, and it also helps with the way my hair falls on my head. You know, sometimes, you know, you blow dry it in one direction, it's just like your hair, it's kind of like stiff. Not because of the products or anything, but simply because the hair was just blow dried in that one direction. I prefer to blow dry it in all different directions so that my hair knows, okay, we can flow this way, we can flow that way, we can flow this way, and we're all good. Okay, cool. And I just continue this entire process until my head is done. As you can see here, I do have a lot of hair, so this process took a while. I don't know how long, because I took breaks. Halfway there, I took a break, a good 2-hour break. I was tired. And these are the final results, and I am loving it. Loving it. That's all for this video, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I would like to actually know what you guys do for your blowout routines and some products that you guys are using, because though I actually really like this, I don't know if it works until, well, maybe the next 3 weeks when I actually wet my hair again. Then I will know if it was actually a heat protectant as opposed to just marketed as one. So yeah, what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and straighten my hair, and I'm gonna link the video to that up above so you guys can see exactly how I do that. My hair looks so good and it feels so soft. I'm so happy. Yes, finally something that really works for me. I love it. When you find something that really works for you and your hair, yes honey, yay. All right, thank you guys for watching. Remember to subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. This thing, really good, really good investment. This is by far one of the best investments I made in 2018, by far. I'm loving this. All right, I need to take a break now because that took too long. I'm tired.